There you go. That's something to work with. I was actually the ba thing. Like I would have turned away if I was a female singer. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would not have came to you.
John, your turn.
That tongue motion kind of got me interested a little bit. So go ahead. I'm interested in listening.
I want to play the game.
Hold on, Mike. Do it again. What is your call? You gotta put emphasis into it.
You're a free show. No, you're a fucking seagull. Okay.
Get that mindset right.
You're a seagull right now. It's raining season. You're not as hard as hell. You're going to vagina your whole life. What are you going to do to get that female seagull? That fucking fine that's sitting right over there in that hole. Shut up. We're not making him laugh. We're getting in the zone.
Nigga, you are definitely a stage 5 creeper.
Am I a level 6?
No.
All right, good.
Mike, come on. Just do it. Put
You
emphasis.
said your dick is
do
hard.
the wing and chest, pump his chest out.
Raging boner. That's full-fledged raging boner fucking seagull.
What's yours?
I'm gonna do one even better. No.
Just do it one time.
I just got the. You don't have to worry about it.
Why don't you strut around, homeboy?
Come on, do it.
Yeah, remember your dick is hard.
Mike, come on.
Robbie.
I'm already sitting down.
Mike,
Rob.
Rob, do Mike's. Do
Rob,
Mike's.
listen. Seagulls gotta strut around. They don't sit down and fucking.
Come on,
do
show
their
us what you would do.
What would you do to get that
Show
seagull?
me your strut. Show me your strut.
No, you do it.
I just did my sleeve one.
No, you didn't.
I
You
did
gotta put motion with
You
it.
stand up and you show me your female.
All right, you know what?
For that finest,
Do your alpha seagull
the
to each other.
finest seagull.
Do
Hold
your
on, stop.
do your
Shut
alpha
up,
seagull
John.
to each other.
Shut
Get up in his
Me
face
and
and
Richie
show
got
him
our
what's
own
up.
thing. Me and you were in this. Fuck them guys. There is the finest seagull, like top-notch 11-piece seagull over there right now. And you want that shit. You're a virgin and you need it. You need it right now. You need this seagull pussy. Get this shit going. Get the wings out. Get the wings out. Get the wings out. You got the wings. All right, wing time. There you go. Hold on, you gotta kneel up. Bend down. You're the male. There you go. Now flop out. It's okay. She's not coming. She's not coming yet. She's not coming yet. You didn't trust her. She's looking. She's looking. She's walking. She took a step. She's coming. She's clapping. Here she comes. Here she comes. She's here. She's here. She's here. She's here. She's here.
Holy fuck, dude.